In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock the header row while scrolling in Google Sheets on desktop. If you've ever lost track of your column labels while scrolling through a long spreadsheet, this quick technique will save you time and frustration. Locking, or freezing, the header row keeps those labels pinned at the top, so you always know what each column represents as you move through your data. Start by opening your Google Sheet on a desktop browser and click anywhere in the spreadsheet to make sure the sheet is active. This simple click ensures the menus apply to the correct sheet, especially if you have multiple tabs or windows open. Next, go to the top menu and select View, then hover over or click Freeze. This menu controls what stays visible as you scroll. You'll see several options here, but for most cases, choose one row. That's perfect if your headers are in the very first row of the sheet, which is the most common setup. If your header is not in row 1, maybe you have a title or some instructions above it, choose Up to Current Row instead. Before you do, make sure your active cell is located in the header row you want to freeze. A quick way to do that is to click anywhere in that header row first, then open View, Freeze, and select Up to Current Row. This tells Google Sheets exactly how far down to lock the view. After you've applied the freeze, scroll down the sheet. You should see your header stay anchored at the top while the rest of the data moves underneath it. You might also notice a subtle gray line marking the freeze boundary, which is a visual cue that everything above it is locked in place. If the header doesn't stay put, double-check that you selected the correct option and that your active cell was in the right row before choosing Up to Current Row. If you ever need to undo this, it's just as easy. Go back to View, then Freeze, and select No Rows. That removes the freeze, and your header will scroll with the rest of the sheet again. That's all there is to it. With just a couple of clicks, you can keep your headers visible at all times, making it much easier to read, sort, and analyze your data without losing context. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.